Here's a quick short tutorial on turning off your Apple Watch in just 45 seconds. It doesn't matter if your Apple Watch is locked or unlocked. Want to turn off Apple Watch? Press and hold the side button, located below the digital crown, until the power off button appears on the top right. Tap on it and swipe the power off slider from left to right. This action will turn off your Apple Watch. Now wait for 5 to 10 seconds to completely turn off. To turn it on again, press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Alternatively, to force restart your Apple Watch that is unresponsive or you're unable to use the screen, you can force restart it by pressing and holding both the side button and the digital crown simultaneously until the Apple logo appears on the screen. This will take time. If your Apple Watch is not turned on, then I recommend keeping it on charge for at least 30 minutes to direct the wall plug, or try with an alternate charging cable. You can borrow it from your friends or family. I hope you liked this video. Don't miss to like, share, and subscribe. Also comment for more help.